Hi everybody, all my followers, be welcome to another video. So, I don't have much daylight left. It's gonna be dark in a minute, but I want to make a start, maybe fix it, because this was definitely not on my plans, and is one more car that I have here now that I did not want to have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 cars, apart from my 3. 6 cars that I have here. I don't like to have so many cars here, so this was a last minute request. The guy came here literally begging me if I could have a look at it. And the car in question is a 2009 Seat Leon diesel engine. That doesn't really matter. The issue with it is central locking. So when you try to lock or unlock the car, nothing happens on the car. So I'm going to show you here. When you press the key, nothing happens, but you can see there that the light flashes. Look, you see? So it looks like we have battery, maybe, and the car doesn't do anything. However, and let me show you this, when I lock or unlock the car from the button inside, show you quickly. So if I press that button there, you're gonna hear it probably. And I can tell you that all the doors lock and unlock properly. So if I lock the car in there, on the button, everything locks and all the doors get locked. However, nothing works from the remote. So as you can imagine, the first thing we're going to do, test this remote, make sure the remote is actually transmitting, and then we'll move into the next step. And let's gonna check with my old RF detector. So I'm gonna press the lock, and you can see the red light on radio frequency blinking. Now the boot and the unlock. Okay, so the key is definitely working. Let me see if it's working from far. Yeah, it is working from far. So at the moment I have no reasons to believe there's anything wrong with the key itself. So, quick scan to the immobilizer system, and as you can see, we do have 10 faults. Is that 10? Yeah, 10 faults for the remote control system. So we're going to quickly see what we have here. Activation, power supply relay, terminal 15, low beams. So this is going to be... Okay, so this is nothing to do with the remote. This is gonna have to be the body control module, kind of, whatever Seat call it. Okay, let's see what the ECM has. Okay, forget about that as well. I don't know. I don't have the background of the car, nor I care about. So, what are we gonna do here? Let's do a rescan. So a rescan brings no codes, but that said, I haven't really cycled the ignition, so let's rescan again. Okay, so the DTC is probably handled by the... Okay, yes, let's gonna exit from here. Is there anything to synchronize remotes or something along those lines? Sometimes there is, I'm not 100% sure. Let me see if there is. No, it's only had keys. I'm pretty sure the remote is added at the same time as the keys. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you, just tells you the frequency, etc. It might worth... nah. Maybe. There we go. So add the remote control function with the right add the remote control if the original key is operational. Remote control learning function will erase all remote controls and will run the keys that are not learned will no longer be operational. I have all the remote controls. Okay, so I need to make sure. Okay. Add or learning. Remote control learning. Okay. Let me see which one I need to do. Let me try. Okay, I don't deactivate. Is that deactivated? Let's just have a quick look. Okay, so it looks like this is the remote control function on the control module. I'm pretty sure because of the codes in there for low beams or whatever that was, I'm pretty sure this is the body control module that controls these functions. Let me just key off. We still have nothing. Okay, so let's go to remote control learning. Press the unlock button on the door. The unlock button on the door. On the door. There's no unlock button. It's going to be this unlock button here, probably. Okay. Okay, one. I'll have to ring the guy. Actually, before I do this, let me ring the guy. See how many remotes he does have for this car. Okay, I just rang the guy, and he only has the 2 keys he gave me, which one is not even the remote. It's just this mechanical key, and then this key. So it's only this is the only key he has. So let's gonna press OK here. Okay, and I don't know if you heard when I pressed the button, the doors have locked. So let's escape. Oh, beautiful. So now let's gonna go outside. This was a quick job. More jobs like this and I'll be happy. So let's just give you a test. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. And the boot. Yep, we unlocked the boot. Sweet. Job done. So as you've seen, it was just the remote. For some reason was not learned to the car. We got that done. Job done. So guys, I know it's a really quick video, probably a Wednesday video. For you that follow the channel, you know exactly what I mean, a midweek video. So with no further ado guys, I do really hope you enjoyed the video. I know there's nothing special, but hey, you might have learned something. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do still have any questions or any comments, you know exactly how it works guys, just put them below. And like always, thanks for watching.